Hi guys, in this video today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make 200,000 naira monthly with zero capital. I mean zero capital. You don't really need to have any money at all to start making this money which I just made. And this 200,000 naira which I made mention is simply the least which you can make. I believe you can actually make much more than that on your own. So I'm going to be showing you how you can simply make 200,000 naira monthly with zero capital. So I have a lot of friends reaching out to me, guys, I want to start this kind of business, but I don't have any capital. As you all know that a lot of time when you want to start a business, capital is very important. So I've been in this shoe as well, which I want to start a lot of business, but I really don't have capital to start with this. So I simply come across these simple tricks which I believe if you as well try this simple trick, you can really work for you as well. So I shared this trick with a friend of mine, and he actually tried this and it actually worked for him as well. So with this trick which I'm going to be sharing with you, I believe you guys can actually make a lot of money for yourself if you are consistent and persistent about this idea which I want to share with you guys. So if this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop another amazing video just like this. And also consider liking this video and share to more other people who might be interested in watching this video. So without further ado guys, let's dive into this video.
So this simple method which I want to talk about is called retail arbitrage. So coming over to my screen right here, we see right here it says what is retail arbitrage. This is a simple question, what you need to know about retail arbitrage. So this is a simple trick which you are going to be using in making 200,000 naira monthly and even beyond that with zero capital, without you having any capital at all. So right now, what is retail arbitrage? As you can see right here, retail arbitrage is when you buy a product from a store or brand and resell it at higher price to profit from the difference. So the word here says buying the product, and that is where the idea is coming from. So just like I said earlier, I said you don't need to have any capital, and I said well, you don't need to have any capital, and right here when we say buy a product, so this is where the tricks come in. So you don't really need to have any money at hand to really do this. So we are going to be tricking it because they say when you buy a product. So right now we are not going to be using any money to buy any product in this. So this is what I'm going to be showing you right now. So you need to we need two major tools to actually profit from this business idea exactly, which is retail arbitrage. That when you buy a product from a store or a brand and you resell it at higher price to profit from the difference. So just like I said, probably you buy a product from at the rate of 20,000 naira, you can simply sell that product at the rate of 30,000 naira. At the rate of 30,000, so your difference there, which is your profit, is now 10,000 naira. So you get the product you buy at the rate of 20,000 naira, you sell it at the rate of 30,000 naira. So you are making a profit of 10,000 naira. So to actually make this profit on this, so you need two major tools to actually profit from this business idea which I talk about, which is retail arbitrage. So the first tool which you are going to be using is a website called GG. So if this is your first time of hearing GG, so GG is a classified platform whereby a lot of people who have something selling come and post their products, and people who really need that particular product, which are the buyers, come on this platform and buy that particular product. So just like me and you who have something to sell, we go on this platform, we post our product there, and people who really need this particular product come right there on this platform and buy that particular product for themselves. So what you actually want to do right now, as you can see right here, you can almost find anything you are looking for on GG. So you can see right here we have vehicles, we have different kind of vehicles, we have properties, we have phones, we have electronics, we have home furniture and appliances, we have health and beauties, we have fashion, we have sports, we have people seeking work, and even services, no matter the kind of service you are doing. So on this platform, people post almost anything on this platform. So and people buy almost anything as well. So you actually want to tap into this online space where transaction is being made every single day. So what you want to do right now is that if you notice around you, this is January as the time I'm recording this video. So a lot of people might actually want to get things for there because I'm actually thinking about the things I can actually sell as at this period, because before you can sell anything online, that thing must really be sought after. That means people are actually needing this particular product. So this is one of the ways you can actually make money and tap into success at the right time, because this is an opportunity for anybody. So if you actually want to make money, you have to know the kind of product to sell, what is really in market, what people are really interested in buying at the moment. So as at this moment which I'm recording this video, a lot of students are resuming back to school. And what do students really need? So they need a lot of products which falls under back to school items. So one of them is school, one of them is bags, shoes, and a lot of things like that. So that students really only need most time. So what you simply want to do, and even on your own, you can simply go ahead and find any product which you know you have the audience people that can really buy this particular product. So in my case, what I did exactly is that I actually look for a product which is back to school items. So back to school items are shoes and bags. So what these are one of the back to school items which I've already searched for. So right here I can see I have bags, I have babies and kids accessory, I have shoes, I have a lot of things here, I have a lot of products right here which I can actually purchase. So what I want to do right now is that I don't have any money to purchase any of this product, but what I simply want to do is to click on this particular product. So okay, I have a product here which worth 5,000 naira. So this product worth 5,000 naira, and as well we can see a product as well which costs around maybe 3,000 naira. So some products cost 3,000 naira and some cost, so however amount of products you want. So just make sure that you choose a particular product that even if you are going to be adding your own money to make the difference, you are going to see your own profit from it. So just like here, you guys can say back to school, you have a shoe right here which is selling for 2,500 naira. I have a product which I already opened as well, which is selling for 5,000 naira. So this bag right here, I want to make inquiries about it. So what you want to do by clicking on this particular product, so I have is shoes and I have a bag. So these are the things which I actually want to sell to my audience which I have. So now as you can see right here, you have a back to school bag. As you can see, you have different sizes of it. You see some description about the product, some description which is something you really need to make sure you find out. So you can see more pictures about those particular products which you want to resell on this platform. And as well, if you look at this shoe as well, you can see you have different views of these shoes, you have different sizes and all of that. So what you simply want to do right now is that, as you can see right here, you have this product for 2,500 naira. So the next thing you want to do right now is to make inquiries about this particular product. You need to make inquiries about it. So on Gigi, you are given option to either show the contact of that particular person, or you start chatting with that particular person. So what do you do? First thing, you have to make sure that you sign in with Gigi, so that for you have the option to show contact. So when you sign in on Gigi, you'll be able to see the contact of this person, and you can simply even chat with this person directly, or even if you can get the person number, call the person directly or send message to that person, making inquiries about this product, asking the person, do they currently have this product in stock? So ask them like, how many of these products can you get? So you can bargain with the person. Okay, I'm buying 20 pieces of this product, or you're buying 10 pieces of this product. Okay, now you say you're selling this particular product for 2,500. Can we bargain? I'm going to be buying a lot. Can I buy it for the rate of 2,000 naira from you? So so let's say the seller agreed to sell that particular product for you for 2,000 naira. So you can simply go ahead and sell that particular product for 5,000 naira. So you buy a product for 2,000 naira and you are selling it for 5,000 naira. That is a profit for you. 2,500 naira is a good profit for you, and mind you, 5,000 naira is not so much for selling. Is not so much for a pair of shoe that you can actually sell. So if you are selling this particular shoe for people for 5,000 naira, it's a really cool deal. It's really a cool deal. So when you make inquiries about this particular product, asking the person, okay, I need 10 pieces of this shoe, you sell it for me at the rate of 2,000 naira, and the person will agree for you. So now you go ahead and sell this particular product for 5,000 naira. So that means you are making 3,000 naira on each sales. So now multiply by how many products you are selling. So now you have 3,000 naira profits on 20 pieces of shoes. So if you can do the calculation, you are going to see that that is a really cool, a lot of money for you on just selling products that you don't even know how the product gets. The only is just that you act as a middleman between the person selling that owns that particular product and people who owns that product. So how do you go about promoting this product itself? So just like I said, you need two tools to actually make profit from this. The first one which we are talking about is GG, which we are currently on, and the second one is your WhatsApp. It's your WhatsApp. So I've always told a lot of people that your WhatsApp is a money making machine for you. So if you actually want to make a lot of money for yourself online, WhatsApp is a really cool way to make money for yourself. WhatsApp is a good way you can actually make money for yourself. So what you really want to do right now is to simply go to your WhatsApp. I'm sure you have a lot of friends, you have a lot of audiences on your WhatsApp, you have a lot of contact on your WhatsApp, and these people are seriously buying product from you. I mean, they seriously are people who you know, who you have really transact a lot of time with. You get so, and a lot of time if you actually be using your WhatsApp just for fun and all of that. So what WhatsApp is simply beyond that. A lot of people are actually making a lot of money from WhatsApp alone. So you actually want to be part of this. You don't want to be left out. So what you simply want to do right now is to look at your audience, look at the kind of people you have on your list. If you take your time and check out the people who you have on your list, you are probably going to see that you have people who can actually make you rich online or even just on your WhatsApp alone. So what you want to do right now is to segment this kind of people. WhatsApp have this option of broadcast list, so you can segment a lot of people. So you find out that okay, these people are married people who have kids, so you can simply create a broadcast list of WhatsApp and add all these people to your broadcast list. People you know that they have kids who are probably be resuming back to school. So you can simply send these people message, okay, simply buy this particular product for me. I'm selling this, I'm selling that. You know, people who you have their contact and they have their contact, they must have been people who have trusted you enough to even buy from you. So what you simply want to do is to go ahead and continue sending them message. But before you start sending them message, you need to position yourself very well. And in the case whereby they are going to trust you. So I made a video recently on how to position yourself and how to strategies on how to really sell and make money using WhatsApp. So it's another ways you can actually make money for yourself. So that WhatsApp status which you have on which you always post a lot of probably funny things and all, you can simply be posting these shoes on this platform. So when people see this, so guys, now having you putting all these people together in this list and you send them message, they always view your status. You see, they see a lot of things that you post, so you can actually make a lot of sales from this particular trick which I just showed you. So another way in which you can actually make money from this, if you actually if you have some spare money, probably you see that a lot of people are coming for it, a lot of people are actually buying this particular product from you. So you can choose to scale up this simple business of yours. You can scale it up by even taking up to Facebook, posting it on your Facebook, your Instagram, using the right hashtag, posting it out to the right audience. So when people come across it, they are going to buy that particular product from you. So you can simply be making a lot of money for yourself. Just like I said, you have to be consistent and persistent about this, because when you do this consistently and people know you to be selling original and you've already made inquiries about that particular product, that this particular product is good, people will surely come back to buy from you. They always want to buy from you. So with this, you can make a lot of money for yourself. So this is simply the least which you can actually make. So if you actually want to make much more than even than 200,000, that means you have to put more effort. Go out there, post it out on your social media as well, post it out, you're going to see people making inquiries about this particular product, and you can actually sell a lot from it. So kindly try all of these tricks which I've mentioned for you, as you can seriously make a lot of money from it. So guys, if you find this video very interesting for you, consider liking this video by clicking on the giving it a thumbs up, and also if you have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing now by clicking on the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop another amazing video like this, so that you don't miss out on any. Kindly share this video to friends and family as well. So I will see you guys back in my next videos.